Welcome to this lecture. This is Vijay from Dino Code Academy. So in this video, we are going to learn about the contract class. So what is contract class? So contract class is actually used to create the database inside the SQLite. Now in order to create the database in SQLite, we need to follow certain steps. The first step is we need to create the contract class. Now the contract class is a container for constants such as table name and table column. Now inside the contract class, the tables are defined in an inner class that implements the base column interface. So here you can see the syntax of the class. Now we have defined two inner classes inside the products contract class. Now you can see we have two tables. The first is products entry and the second is EMP entry that implements the base column interface. Now you can see there are three fields defined inside this class, that is products entry, also in EMP entry. The first is the table name. As I had already told you, the contract class will host the table name, means the constant created inside the table name. And the second, you can see the table name inside the EMP entry class. Now you can see we have column ID and also column ID. This will be auto generated and SQLite automatically creates for you, or you can also declare it as per your convenience. Now this is a column which will be created inside this products entry class. So you can say it, contract class is responsible for creating the constants, means holding the constants, and we need to create it because if we don't create these constants, there may be a chance we can actually make mistakes. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.